What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion, last day of trading week. Let's see how the market is doing. As you can see, since our last session, pre-London session, what we expected that gold from the daily to drop, and it's dropped. Let's see, now we see that the market again grabbing liquidity, gold and euro dollar and all of them. So let's find out where we can find the next opportunity. If there is any trade coming along the way, definitely we'll try to open in this live session. So make sure you stick till the end of the session. Last day of trading is always very volatile. Before I begin, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. I will be starting with gold and we'll be looking at euro dollar, GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, all the USD pairs. So first of all, looking at with the gold, what we see that, as I mentioned earlier today, gold to me is currently looks to me bearish from bigger picture perspective. If I look at the daily, what we see that gold previous day there was a very strong liquidity grab from this resistance line. If you look at this resistance, it's a very strong liquidity grab from daily perspective, and from that resistance line we have seen that gold had a rejection. Now looking at, first of all, daily is always the best practice that I use, because looking at the daily time frame will give me a clear idea of the overall direction in the market. So if we look at this market on gold from the daily, it is a currently bullish market. The bigger picture, you can see an impulse, correction impulse. It is in a correction phase, but a bull market on the higher time frame could give us, when it is in a pullback, we can look for selling opportunity on the lower time frame. So what we have seen that gold, after previous daily rejection, so far has come down again to this level where there is a daily support level, and from this support just now we see that gold had primarily a bounce to the upside. Now with this bounce, primarily let's look at the lower time frame. This is where the previous session there was a bearish candle. This session the price so far created a higher low, trying to break out, but I think that I think that gold ultimately we could see the drop, but it's still trading is all about probability. Anything can happen over the time, as this is weekend. So we'll cautiously look at the price action. If we find our setup that we are looking at, definitely we'll be looking to enter trade. So from this is the 5-minute chart, and with this 5 minutes price action, we saw that gold from this level, after consolidating here, had a break to the upside. Okay, now this breakout, I think that it's a liquidity grab, though bigger picture trend is up, but it's still gold is there was a reversal here. If we look at this trend line, okay, this is the price is moving. You see this is the resistance here. It's come back down again, tested this resistance. So, and for me, what I think that gold, this move to the upside from this resistance, this movement on gold is this is a liquidity grab, and after breaking this we saw that the price again tested this level, has come back down. Now at this point what we see that gold is from this level has broken to the upside again. So this break could be, you can see, is this vertical move could be another liquidity gap, and if we see that gold is preparing to drop again, we can look for selling opportunity. I think it might even go ahead and test this level. This is the 1 hour chart, and we saw that the market has formed here and also a head and shoulder breakdown, and now we can expect a retest of this level, and from that zone we can expect to drop. So this is where potentially for me bigger picture is still down on the daily, but if we see that the market sentiment changes, then we'll look to even buy based on the price action confirmation. Price action is the key. So this is with the gold. Now okay, so we'll keep that watching. Let me know guys which one you are looking at. Hope that everyone had a great trading day. So we do had a very good trading day in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Let me know guys how are you doing with your trading. Okay, hi coach CHF. Yeah, absolutely, thank you very much Kakulan. Hi super gold day, hello, thank you very much. Hello, thanks. Hello Jefferson, I got the buy 1963. Okay, it was nice to see you. Hope you're doing great. Hello everyone. Lotfi, thank you very much. Hello everyone, we are doing very good. I hope that you are also doing well. Dollar Swiss franc, what's your analysis? Samuel, so what do you think about gold right now? I'm in negative, please say something about gold. Samuel, yeah, we're discussing about the gold. Let's see. Morally, dollar yen, my best. Okay, Omar, yeah, I'll be looking at that. Thank you. Cat CHF, sir, good morning sir, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Good morning. Jerk, I just decide you for day. Okay, I'm very good, thank you. So thank you. Okay, so we see that gold primarily on the lower time frame had a bounce. Now we need to see if it is a fake move or it wants to go back up again. Okay, so before we go to that point, let's look at other instrument. Okay, Euro NZD. We had a trade on Euro NZD today. We closed because we open also Euro dollar trade. So Euro NZD, once we open this position, Euro NZD had a bounce to the upside. We closed with around 60 profit. I think it's gonna go still to the upside because euro looks a bit stronger. Now Euro NZD trade also was sent out to the waves. Let me quickly explain to you guys, because as I mentioned that in Forex Trading Wizard Academy everything is I post only for educational, and it is important that you understand also what's the reason behind the trade. And this is the Euro NZD trade that I posted when the price was here. The trade was posted with entry, stop loss and take profit, and also quite a few updates later to to manage the trade, what to do. So Euro NZD, you can see that from this level we bought, and as soon as we opened the position on Euro NZD, it had a bounce to the upside, and in a move we got 60 pip up and then again come down for a pullback. Now if you look at this trade, you can see that, see, this is the real trading example that you can see. When I open the Euro NZD, the candle is still, you can see the timing is still 1 hour 11 minutes remaining. This is a swing trade, or you can consider as a day trade because it's a very fast move. And from that zone, Euro NZD had a massive movement. Now also I shared with you guys. Now let me tell you what make me to take this trade on Euro NZD. Now if you look at this price action, first of all, what do you see on Euro NZD price action is a trend. Trend is always the first priority that I look at when I trade, is the trend. Now you can see that the market is trending to the upside, creating series of higher high and higher low. Now after the trend, the next thing that I look at is the liquidity. Okay, so where did Euro NZD grab liquidity? Here, here, and this one here. This is where we saw that Euro NZD grabbed also liquidity. Now market moves with the three fundamental principle: market structure, liquidity, and price action. Now to understand what kind of price action you need to look at, is that this is where the strategy comes in place to to find out the rule-based strategy with the indicator, with price action. Now if I turn on the TF indicator, what do you see? That in this whole move there is only one buy alert that I see according to my TF strategy, and this is what gave me the fuel to buy this market. Now this is our TF strategy. If you are our lifetime member, you can go to your student dashboard, and then I would recommend you to watch TF strategy over and over again so that you understand the rules of TF strategy, how it worked and what are the rules. And this is the power of having a strategy, that when you have a rule-based strategy, you know that which place is to enter and when to exit. So this is the main goal of trading, is to remain disciplined, trading with always in a consistent profit, and being that's called becoming a profitable trader, to have a consistent gain, having a tool that is the strategy. And from that perspective, if you still not sure about the strategy, I would recommend you to watch over and over again. Any question, don't hesitate to ask me. And at the same time, if you are not our member, I would recommend you to join us to learn the strategy that we are teaching, and also you will be able to see all the trades that I am opening. You can see all the trades that I post with entry, stop loss, and take profit target to the VIP group. And also you will be part of a VIP chat group where you will have an opportunity to interact with other traders. You will have access to this trading tool, that TF strategy indicator. Also you can access as a lifetime member. So I'll recommend you to join. There is a link in the description area, and also you can find the link at the top of the chat, where I think this is what's happening, Samuel? Okay, so what's happening? Why so many same messages, Samuel Abeti? Okay, so we see that from that perspective, we see okay, very good, thank you very much. All right, so okay, very good, thank you. So with that respect, this is what I was mentioning, guys, that to trade you need to have a proven, back-tested trading strategy. Trading without a strategy is like gambling, and over a long time definitely one will not be profitable over a long time if someone is trading based on without any strategy. So let me know in the live chat also what's your strategy, if you have or if you don't have. Thank you. Direct gold is, yep. Thank you very much. Bonus star. Okay, thank you very much. Dollar CAD. Thank you. DXY, CAD, CHF, yep. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so one thing, I would recommend everyone is, it's a very important thing, very important lesson as a trader, is to always remain in control of your emotion. Trading is a game of emotion. All right, very, very important that everyone who trade have a very good control over your emotion. You see, suddenly you see the market will do very different than what you expected. That's why now, how do you remain in control of your emotion from having proper risk management? So let's see gold. You can see suddenly we see that there is a bullish move on gold. Now this move, as it is weekend, we need to interpret that which way it is trying to be heading, and then we will be looking to enter. So if we look at, this is the 1 hour chart. So let's look at DXY. In fact, which way in fact the market is trying to be heading, because DXY will tell us in fact how the market might be doing. Now if we look at DXY, this is a locally bullish market. If we look at the 4 hour, I think that DXY, see, this market on DXY is creating locally bullish price action, but at the same time we see that it's trying to come down for a deeper pullback. All right, and this, from this 1 hour perspective, DXY is okay. So with this rejection, but it's still, this is the 1 hour chart, the price is trying to break to the local structure. But what I think that today, highly likely we could see that DXY is hitting this daily 20 EMA, as the price has triggered from a very important liquidity zone on DXY. Very highly likely that we could see this market is going up to hit that daily 20 EMA. And with this daily 20 EMA retest, I think either we could see continuation or later coming down for a pullback. You see there is a gap opening and there is a liquidity grab here. So this is a significant resistance zone, support zone turned resistance, and I will be looking to see that DXY is heading to the upside. And with that respect, what I think that gold is still bigger picture from the daily, we could see that, I think we could see still downside. And if gold managed to retest from this level, test this level and shows us that rejection, we can look for entry, or we need to see how the price action is doing. Now this is 5 minutes candle. You can see after testing this level, it's trying to reject, but it's still, you see, this is a local 5 minutes price action. As when we discuss about that bullish or bearish, always look at the time frame, is very, very important. All right, so let's see. Thank you, coach. US30, Lucas, US100, CHFJPY, thank you. US oil, USDCHF, what's your analysis? I'll be looking at the US30. Thank you, Philip. Thanks, coach. Got profit on Euro NZD, 30, very good. Euro dollar, yep, that's awesome. Thank you for that, Philip. Yeah, this is the main goal. We had a good trade yesterday. Also, we had a very good trade on Euro AUD, today Euro NZD, and also Euro dollar trade is running. Let's look at Derek. Thank you very much. Zealand, we cannot showing anything. Yeah, yes. Euro USD, yeah, we'll look at that. Okay, so looking at euro dollar, now we have opened a position on euro dollar, which is almost in our entry. Now euro dollar, this current session's candle, I'm expecting it to break to the downside. Euro dollar trade is exactly where we have entered. Now if we see that euro dollar is not moving further, then we can close with a couple of pips profit. Let's see, because I'm expecting, the reason I have opened euro dollar trade is because with the trend, and I'm expecting euro dollar to come to the daily 20 EMA, and that's why our TP target is above daily 20 EMA. And if euro dollar, it's putting pressure on the support. If euro dollar managed to break, then we can expect it to come down to the daily 20 EMA, because there is no, you can see in that area, there's a void here, and this is an imbalance. So euro dollar is, so far we see that movement, and with the gold as well, you can see gold sometimes suddenly have a bounce and then again jumping back to the support level. Okay, from the 5 minutes, let me see what it has done. Okay, so from 15 minutes there is a bearish candle. Let me see. Okay guys, so I will be selling short gold from this level, stop loss above this high, and I will be targeting up to this level here from 4 hour. If we look at target up to this neckline, almost 321. So keep in mind, everything educational, anything can happen in trading. So above this high, stop loss a bit extended, and this is we'll take target 321 on this, very tight stop loss. And I'll also be sharing the same trade with Gbpusd as well. I'll explain later why I'm opening. So I have opened gold position for selling. Now very tight trade. Okay, like we might see another pullback to the upside, but let's keep that on. And this is a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio trade. If it breaks to the upside, it's a very tight trade. Let's look at, we'll keep that running till you see that. I'm expecting this one is a fake move. If it is a fake move, then we will see that, you know, bigger drop. If it is an actual move, if it wants to grab further liquidity from this resistance, then we will be out of the trade with it's a very tight trade, so it will be a very minimum loss. And I always trade with a very tight risk management plan. Guys, keep in mind that trading is all about risk management, and you know, the traders make money doing the proper risk management. Okay, so I'm entering into profit zone. As I mentioned, if the price started to drop, we should be able to see good movement here. So far so good. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And if you want to learn more about my strategy that I am trading gold, euro, dollar, all the instrument, you can join us. There is a link in the description for the website, Forex Trading Wizard Academy website. So the first link below this video is the website address. Visit the website and then click join now button. You will be able to join us to learn everything, and also all the trade that I am trading I do share with VIPs, so you will be able to access all of them, including the trading tools and everything that we have. Also, I can share the website address on the live chat. Mentorship, you can click the mentorship website and then visit the website, join us to be part of trading community. Also at the top of the chat you will find the free Telegram link. I would recommend you to stay connected with this free Telegram. Thank you. So far the trade moving in the direction that we expected. So far little move, but it's just starting. We need to be patient on that. Now if this move is a fake move, then we could see the market coming down to this level. Hope that guys you are enjoying. Give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press that bell button. And also if you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join Trade. So ever trade is regulated by SEC and FCA. They are fully regulated, and any capital that you trade will be in the safe hand. So ever trade regulated broker, link in the description, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. You can click the link, register for free. While you are registering, there is a partner code option. You can keep a partner code wizard that will allow you 20% bonus on your account, because they are regulated. So any bonus that you get, it's yours. So you can use that partner code, but you have to be in the eligible country to be eligible for the bonus. But you can use ever trade from anywhere. So you can click and then start trading with a regulated broker. So we see that gold is entering in the profit zone. So far it's still bearish. Okay guys, so far so good. It's dropping down. So I want to see, this one is giving us a good profit on this. If it drops at least halfway, we can move the stop loss at entry, and I want to hold the trade for a bit more bigger profit. If it goes according to the plan, then we should be able to see that gold is coming to the support level. Now 4 hour time frame, there is a bearish candle. If gold drop, then should be dropping in that direction. So far okay, so I've entered in the TP profit zone. Guys, let me know in the live chat how many of you are running the trade. Make sure you open only in the demo account. Oh, I turned off the camera. I forgot it. Now here is the key points. If it is, because it's this is a consolidation pattern here, we need to see that it's not reversing from here. Okay, so this is a very important level, and from here want to see that this level is failed. Otherwise it is possible to again have another bounce. So we are running a euro dollar trade, which is also running in little profit. So this is a VIP trade, euro dollar. If we see that gold is coming to the zone that we are expecting with good profit, we might book euro dollar fully, because euro dollar and gold almost move in the same direction, so it will reduce our risk also. Okay, so let me see how euro dollar is doing. Now this is a liquidity zone on euro dollar, and also gold. need to keep eye. I'm expecting it to break down. Let's see. Still in profit zone. That's good. Thank you. That's awesome. Joma, thank you. Can I join your group? What's up, please? Yes, Joma, you can join. Absolutely. Just visit the website. So below this video, you will find that signals and strategy, where you can click the website and then visit the website. And once you're on the website, click join now button, then you will be able to join. Eurodollar, thank you. JPY pairs, yeah, we'll be looking at that. We'll be looking at all of them. JPY looks very volatile now. Thank you, Cat. CHF, yes, favor, we'll be looking at that. So gold 5 minutes candle. So far this one also looks like a middleman. You want to see that it's not going up again, instead breaking to the downside. Hello coach, kindly look at GBPJPY. Yeah, I'll be looking at that. Gold, just hi coach, what's the best day of the week for you? Okay, so gold started to melt in the direction. Very good. As expected, what's the best day of the week for you? Yeah, best day of the week, almost every day is best. Some day flat, but it depends on which day. Especially the day is market is volatile is the best day always, because we have a lot of trades. Yesterday, today, Monday was very good day. Especially Monday and Friday are very good, because that days are very volatile, and the day that has a lot of news is absolutely very good day. So gold, I'm running in good profit in my account. I hope that you guys also enjoying the trade on gold, and I will be looking at other instrument also. All right, so let it fall down, because it grab liquidity. If it drops, we should be able to see potentially good movement. All right, so milk, can you explain what is the liquidity and liquidity zone and how to take it? Okay, very good question. So to explain that liquidity zone, I've prepared a compacted video that I will be releasing tomorrow also. Thank you, William, thanks for that. So make sure you stay subscribed and stay present tomorrow in London session and New York session time. Will be explain liquidity and everything. So make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. So I will pause for 2 seconds. Everyone have time to do that. Awesome, thank you for that. And that will be also will help you in your trading. So we see that gold, since we call, I think you guys had a better price. It has started to drop. Okay, we are almost running same as our risk. So if we bring it here, yeah, almost 1-to-1 profit running. Let it drop a little further, and then we'll bring stop loss here. We'll take half profit and keep that running for 3 times profit. Thank you very much. No problems, you're always welcome. Okay, and also let me see, I just need to guard this trade. Okay, so from 15 minutes so far showing bearish. All right, so we'll hold that, let it come a little further. Okay, now the crucial part is we need to see that it has broken down. Right, so far so good, so far bearish. Okay, let's hold the trade. Okay, we wanna, long as it's dropping, we'll hold the trade for bigger profit. And so this is the consecutive trade we had early today. Euro NZD, it is still running in profit, but we closed it earlier. And we had euro dollar trade also running, which is almost in the entry. And yesterday euro AUD gold trade. So every day we are having quite a few trades. So this is the trades, that's how I sent to VIPs as well. You can join us, guys, if you really want to speed up your learning and growing as a trader. I do share all my trades with entries, stop loss and take profit. In addition to the live trades, there are quite a few trades has been sent. And also you can access all the trading tools that I have. So since we opened this trade, let me update the trading results. Okay, now here is the crucial part, is we need to see that this bounce is not going up and breaking to the upside. Okay, here is the key. Okay, so we see you see this 5 minutes candle trying to break the high. If it fails to do so, if it drops, then we will bring the stop loss here. We will not take the partial profit. We want to take a bit more profit, a bit drop before we take the profit. Thanks for that. Let's see how it does. Okay, so far looks to me is still downside. Okay guys, awesome. I'm running in good profit in my account. Now it's struggling to break this support level. So this is how, the trading is, that always, looking for smaller loss, bigger win, or more win with proper risk management. Okay, see, with 1-to-1 risk to reward, one can be profitable over the long term. Let's say if you risk one TP target, one the same amount of risk, same amount of profit target, you can be profitable. This is 3-to-1, that means that 3 times profit one time. But even if you trade 1-to-1, but if you need to have a strategy, back tested strategy to be profitable, and also you need to allow enough space for the trades to move. give room the trade to breathe. Trade also breathe like the human being breathe or breath, anyway it could be any one of this, so we need to give the trade to breathe so that it can fluctuate. So to be profitable, for example, 1-to-1 with 1-to-1, like one risk, one profit, I would say that your trading strategy must have one rule. Okay, in multiple rules, one must have a rule of trend. Okay, trend is the most important tool that I used in my trading. Okay, trend is very, very important. Let's see, gold has formed a doji here, and with this doji we don't want to see that it's again bouncing off this level. Okay, euro dollar also has bounced to the upside. It's trying to bounce off again. Let me see. Because it's weekend, the market is a little bit of volatile, so anything, it might do anything. Okay, let's keep that running. All right, let's keep that running. Let me quickly look at the JPY pairs. GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY with this massive bounce had immediate rejection. That's very, very interesting price action. You can see after breaking this high again has come back down. So from the weekly we might see that GJ is closing as a doji. Okay, so if it is closing as a doji on the weekly, because the price, you can see after breaking all this high coming back down, this can be considered as a fake out. So with this fake out, we might see that the market might preparing for a further drop. All right, so when you see this kind of massive movement and immediate rejection is a fake out. Okay, so this movement, this is a very important key level on GJ. You can see from this level there is a massive movement has broken. So this move on GBP JPY is considered as a fake out, and because it's a fake out, we could potentially see that GBP JPY is dropping down. If you look at the daily, you can see there's a long wick candle, and weekly it's forming kind of doji, and I think that in the upcoming week and time we might see that GBP JPY is to the downside. Okay, because it's made a big false breakout. Let's keep looking at our trade on gold. Okay, so 1 hour candle is closing in 6 minutes on gold. So far this 1 hour candle is a, to me it's still a bearish candle, unless in the last moment if it is changing its direction with a bounce. Okay, so gold is trying to create a movement. See, this 1 hour candle is very important, because this one will determine, this is a very important liquidity zone on gold. From this level there was a massive movement, and because of that we had this reaction from this level. I think that gold, euro dollar also, this move on euro dollar, I think that this is also a fake move. Could see that euro dollar also, if you look at the daily level, daily candlestick, but I think that euro dollar from the daily, highly likely we could see the prices coming down for a daily 20 EMA retest. Okay, so they're almost in the same direction. Euro dollar, euro dollar, gold almost move in the same fashion. So you see that another doji has formed. Okay, so euro dollar, gold, it's 1 hour candle. Now see that it has broken to the downside. We need to see that this 1 hour candle is closing as a bearish, and especially the support needs to be broken. If it fails to break the support, there is a potential for again upside. So far still bearish. Okay, we're still running in profit. We'll keep that running. Want to see that it's coming back down and breaking to the downside, guys. So let's go back to GJ. It's a huge upside and immediate rejection on GBP/JPY. Let's look at all the, so euro JPY also doing the same thing. We can see that euro JPY also, after this massive move, it's coming back down again. And if we look at NZD JPY, also doing the same thing. So dollar yen also trying to drop. So let me look at all the yen. So Aussie yen also, AUD a bit weaker, and so what is trying to do on JPY pairs? What do you think, guys? So you see that gold in fact failed to create a higher high. Yeah, so I'm happy to see this candle is closing as a full body red. Alright guys, and let me know, guys, what do you think? What's the reason that JPY is taking a U-turn? What's your opinion? Gold sell me too. Thank you very much. What's the TP? So for TP we set at 1954.96, almost in 1955. tell me more stories about trading psychology. Favor, yeah, absolutely. Trading psychology is a very important aspect or dimension of a profitable trader. Thank you so much. You'll be waiting for that video. Thank you. Also, let me know, you guys. Colin, loving your chat. Will be joining your group. This. Thank you, Colin. I'm sure that you will enjoy. Thanks for mentioning that. Sure, thank you. So let me know, guys, what do you think that what is a trading psychology? Also, it is a very important factor that every professional trader considers to develop sound trading psychology. Okay, so candle close, and we see that. Keep watching here. Okay, so you might see some locally upside. Okay, keep that. We'll be holding that trade, and while we are holding the trade, this 1 hour candle, for me it's a bearish candle. We can expect it to come down. Yeah, we'll discuss about the consistency in trading. All right, I hope that you are enjoying, guys. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join a regulated broker, our recommended broker is EverTrade. You can join EverTrade using our link. I'm sharing that link in, there is a link in the description, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat, so you can click that link and then register for free, and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. Okay, so yeah, so far here what I see that the price action, okay, this 5 minutes candle, so far it's showing potentially creating series of lower high. Okay, so Okay. Pardon me, guys. So this 5 minutes candle, which is running, just moving in. Okay, after breaking this down, after this candle, we will be moving the stop loss at entry. I'll be closing only 30% of the profit, so the rest of the profit I'll run. I think that it's a we should be able to see that drop. Okay, so we have seen that. Okay, guys, you're enjoying this trade. So what I'm going to do now, I'm almost up, almost 1% up. So more than 1%. Yeah, I'm more than 1% up. So what I'm going to do, because it's on a support, it might go up again for liquidity gathering. So I'll take 30% off. So what does it mean is that if the position is 0.5, then let's say position is 0.6, I'll take only 0.15 or 0.2 lot off, and the rest I'll keep running. Everyone's has a different position based on their account size, so I'll be taking only 30% of the profit. So I have in one account I have 0.7 to 0.8 lot. I only closing 0.2 lot. Okay, and then I will move my stop loss at entry. Okay, so I move my stop loss at entry. And I'm running the majority of my portion is still. I'll keep running for the full TP. Alright, so it's moving in that direction. All right, guys, so you see that the market is going as expected. So it's a now risk-free trade, gold. Let me know in the live chat, guys, how many of you running the trade. It's a massive trade. I want to take it full now to the TP target. Good evening to all. Thank you very much, Mohammed Mumin. Isham, coach, please. JP appears. Hello, Alex. What's the next price on gold? I will be looking at that. Tell me to trade. Yeah, absolutely. Hi, hello. This is the main goal here, is to help trader to trade. So Marcy, thank you very much, Marcy. That's awesome. So euro dollar might going a bit more in the direction that we expected. So we close that one. Let me see. It ultimately will come down again. So from the daily euro dollar, what I think that I strongly believe that the euro dollar will come down to the daily 20 EMA today. As gold is coming down, okay, we might see that gold even coming down to the daily 20 EMA. Okay, so the daily 20 EMA on gold is here in this level, and yeah, so we can expect gold even coming back to the 1950 1948 level. But I think that, you know, I could be wrong any point. Okay, there's nothing to be wrong in trading. Trading is like that, but when we are right, we need to take bigger profit target. All right, guys, so now, as I mentioned earlier in the beginning, you need to develop a very strong trading psychology to remain profitable. You see that our gold trade running in profit, and if you know, developing a trading psychology means that you hold that trade and bring that profit into your account. This is you know, trading psychology, that allowing, you know, allowing the flow into your account so that you can experience it. All right, most of the time what happened is that, I think it happened to everyone, closing the trade with a very smaller profit and then taking a big loss. Okay, and this is one common psychological mistake. And there is another one, is that not doing proper risk management. Okay, opening random lot size and then not doing proper risk management. Okay, guys, so it is important that, you know, everyone who really want to be a profitable trader must learn the proper risk management and develop sound trading psychology. Is the key to be a consistently profitable trader, along with having very good technical knowledge, having a strategy. Now I can give you a strategy, I can help you in technical analysis, understanding candlestick pattern, price action, but you need to develop that trading psychology. The best way I found, I know that, you know, patience and there are many aspects of trading psychology, sometimes need little bit of time to develop, but if you set an intention, it becomes much easier. Keep in mind that intention creates the results. Okay, see, even as a trader, I also trade. You can see in front of you in this YouTube live, I'm trading, and in front of you I have opened the position that is going in profit. I'm running in good profit now, and I'm sure that for those who open also in the trade now, even still these days, I set intention every single day, because all this I do is for who are receiving it. And this is how, let's say, you can set intention to, let's say, you find out what's your trading goal, what do you want out of life, out of trading. You can write them down. That will clarify your intention. Once you set the intention, it will become 10 times faster, easier to achieve. Being a trader, making $1 million or making a living out of trading, all will come down to your intention. All right, so intention is the key to be, to find the result that you are looking for. All right, guys, so there is one thing that missing from us is having a strong belief on yourself or ourselves. So this is where the intention will clarify. So when the people who struggle or manifesting or creating the life that they want to create is because of the lack of understanding the power within. You know that when a child is born, there are millions of chromosomes go for a race to create that zygote, and from trillion there is only one is winner, and that one is you, right? You have created from that. So you have, before you born, you won a race of trillion people, right? Trillion competitor with you. So that trillion, you have been able to overcome or defeat that trillion counterpart, and you became one. So that one is you. So that's how you can create yourself or make yourself powerful, so that you can create the life that you want to create. Okay, so that's how you can create a very strong sense of belief, and then set intention, and then you can achieve anything you want in life. So let's see what it is doing now on gold. It is trying to bounce off this level. Okay, this trade is a risk-free trade, so no problem. Even if it is going up back here, will be fine. But let me see. So we close 30%, and let me see why it is bouncing off. Okay, so for me it's a pullback, and still this 1 hour chart, 1 hour candle is it's a very strong bearish candle, so we can expect it to continue to drop. Right, it's a pullback. Let keep it running. In the meantime, let me know what instrument you are looking at. Thank you very much, Mohammed Momin. That's a good approach. Thanks for that. Hello, coach. Please give your view on JPY. Yeah, can you enter? The trade is running. So what's the I'm still too impulsive. Okay. Bozenak, look, it's okay, by understanding that, you can say that, let's say you say that I'm still too impulsive. Only by acknowledging, we actually solve 50, I would say that 70% is gone. 70% of the problem is gone. So is the rest is just accepting. See, two things. For example, people, there is a state of denial. For example, let's say if I say that if a person is impulsive but he or she denies, that's one state, saying that okay, I do impulsive trading or I don't do impulsive trading. But if you see that if he or she is not doing any impulsive trading but saying doing the impulsive trading but not acknowledging, that's denial. That's very difficult to make it to the right place. But if you say that okay, I do impulsive trading, but you acknowledge it, so you 70% you solve, because you acknowledge, that means you created a self-awareness behind it. You know that your weakness, so you acknowledge your weakness, so you develop an awareness. Okay, now the 30% will solve, how? By accepting. So by knowing and accepting, you actually solve 100% of any of that you want to solve. This is the paradoxical things that to keep in mind. What you accept, you transcend. This is how everything works. So how does, for example, anything you think that you should do in a different way, first of all identify it, and then acknowledge it, and then accept it, and it will automatically disappear everything. It looks paradoxical, but this is how anything one can solve. We'll discuss more. Let me move forward. CTP, congratulations on your gold trade. Thank you, Selim. Direct coach. On a small accounts, the spread is larger than a big account. How can this be deducted? Okay, so you can use a raw spread account. I think that would be the best way to reduce the spread. Thank you. Crude oil coach, thank you. You bought GJ loader. Let me see. So you see that gold, that move was a fake move, so it's still running in profit on gold. Let me look at the Gbpusd. Okay, so you see after the candle close, again moving up. All right, so from the daily, from 1 hour, Gbpusd, this is the weekend, and it is really, it will depend on how the weekly candle close, but at the moment I do not see any direction yet. If it is a false breakout, then we could see that drop back. Otherwise, if it goes back up again, that means that it is either moving in a sideways or even try to break up again. But after this kind of move, another rejection for me is not a healthy movement. That's why I would say that GJ is currently just manipulating or consolidating, because after this kind of big move, immediate rejection is a sign of false breakout. But as I mentioned, that after the couple of candles you will understand it. So this one, okay, so gold has dropped, which is good for us, and we are almost hitting the TP on gold. That's good. I don't know why euro dollar is going completely the other way around. We might see that rejection coming very soon on euro dollar. It might just draw back from 1 hour 20 EMA. Okay, gold, let me see. All right guys, so we are running in very good profit now, almost more than almost nearly 2 to 1. So what I'll do now, I'll close a little more position on that. Just to secure some more profit, or it's up to you. Some trader might be willing to run the full to the TP. I'll take another 20% off. So basically reduce the risk-free trade. So another 50% is still running. Okay, so this is 15 minutes candle on gold, which is because this is a liquidity zone, that's why we see this rejection, but that could be the next one coming back down again, or if it is wants to bounce back, that's no problem. It's a risk-free trade. So looking at JPY pairs, we see that they became again very hot. All right, so let's see. And yeah, if you look at this one gold trade, is let me quickly again review what did I look at in this trade that we are running. This is a 1 hour chart. If I turn on our TF indicator, you see that this is the 20 EMA, and according to our TF strategy, we see back-to-back 2 zone where we have seen very good selling pressure, and because of that, gold trade was open and it became another successful trade. If you look at the lower time frame, you can see how the trade was open. If you are following this live from first, you have seen the opening of the position when I did this opening. And I do use a strategy to trade this kind of market, and it's also available for you to learn. If you want to learn that, I would recommend you to join us to see how I am trading gold and all the instrument. And also I share all my trades, like this one, Euro NZD today, early today, also along with gold. Also Euro NZD trade was shared with VIP. So like this entry, stop loss and take profit target, I send share with the students. You can join us, link in the description area, and also you can visit the website, click join now button. You will be able to join and access everything that I have in this academy, and also you'll be part of a chat group where you will be able to interact with other traders who are trading with us. I would say that this is the best decision you'll ever take. You can do that, as once you are our member, you will be there forever and you will have access to everything. So thank you, and let's look at what we have next. Euro dollar, thank you. And also join the free Telegram channel, guys. Link given at the top of the live chat for free Telegram. Euro dollar, yeah, thank you very much. Yes, we are holding the gold trade, is still risk-free. I'm risk-free means that I close some partial profit and I move the stop loss at entry. So I booked some profit, and the trade is now at break even. In case if it goes there before dropping to the TP, we will be out of the trade without any loss, but with profit. So this is how the trade management works. Risk management is the key to be profitable as a trader. Thank you. Euro USD, yeah, we'll be looking at that. how can we plan a reversal strategy? We do have a reversal strategy. I do have reversal strategy. So reversal strategy is basically to understand the smart money zone, because if you want to use the reversal strategy, you need to know where the smart money is buying or selling. Because when a market, let's say a trending, creating series of higher high and higher low, it's an uptrend, right? The market will not directly change its trend. Okay, it will do some kind of consolidation, or it will create, let's say, a pattern, double top or a head and shoulder. So it will break, try to break again, form a head and shoulder, and then it will break the neckline, where you see that, identify that smart money is on order block, and then you either will see the price has gone up again to test this support as a resistance, or have not gone, or even penetrated that up and then started to drop, depending on every situation. And this is where the reversal strategy comes in place, that when to see that the market in fact prepared for that drop. This is where the reversal strategy. We do have all kinds of trading strategy, because the market is always changing, evolving. One strategy is not enough to trade. That's why we have reversal strategy. We have sniper entry trading strategy. So when the market in a very strong momentum, you may not see the prices testing the swing high, swing low. We do have a middleman trading strategy, which is one of my favorite trading strategies. Trend following strategies, we do have also my favorite trading strategy. And we do have news and price action trading strategy, so to trade the different kind of market situations. So you see that what happened with here on gold. So the market has broken to the upside again. So the market moves. So let's see, I think this break will give new momentum. The Euro NCD started to move up and up. So gold after, okay, so it's grabbing liquidity, still showing potentially downside. Okay, so if it manage to break this low, then we'll even can bring the stop loss here to secure some more profit. In the meantime, let me look at what other pairs we are doing. Nasdaq and US30. Nasdaq is after breaking this swing low, we see that Nasdaq, this is the support level, the price has broken this low, and then again the price is pushing high. I think Nasdaq, because it's a very long-term bullish market, we could see that Nasdaq again breaking to the upside. Okay, so if you look at the daily, we can see that from this daily 10 EMA, Nasdaq is pushing high. I think that we could see Nasdaq again moving to the upside. As this is the weekend, we could see on the weekend close after little pullback continuation to the upside. So this is a very long-term bullish market. You can see from the weekly as well, it's forming a weekly doji. Okay, the candle is still not closed. I think that this market might close as a doji, highly likely, and then on the new market opening we might see that breaking the weekly low and then moving to the upside with NASDAQ. So if we look at the US30, very strongly bullish as expected. There was a bullish engulfer followed by another bullish candle. I think it's gonna continue to rise to the upside. If we look at the daily, you can see that US30 is a very strongly bull market with this impulse, strong impulse correction. It is created another impulse. I think that we could see that it's coming down for a pullback, and then we can expect it to continue to rise to the upside. So there is a very high probability for US30 to remain bullish. Now you can see from this 20 EMA, the price didn't test. As weekend coming, we might see that as a pullback coming to this 20 EMA zone and respecting this level, continuing to the upside. So US30 and NASDAQ, we see that highly bullish. Let me go back to the gold again, guys. What's happening here? Okay, still on a trade. Now this 15 minutes candle, I'm still running. Okay, it crossed this doji's high. You can see it just went up to gather liquidity. The market moves just from liquidity to liquidity. Okay, so it gathered liquidity, and we can expect another drop. Now 5 minutes, you can see after crossing all this liquidity candle, it's trying to form another bearish candle. So we'll keep that on. Let me see, guys, what you're up to. Multi-time frame GBP CAD. Okay, all right, we'll be doing that. Now before I progress, make sure, guys, you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join Trade. So our recommended broker is Trade. They're regulated by SIC and FCA. There is a link in the description area for Trade, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. You can click the link and then register for free, start trading with a regulated broker. So I'll recommend you to always use a regulated broker. That's how your capital will be in the safe hand, and you can start even with a minimum capital that you wish to start. So also you can use partner code Wizard that will give you 20% bonus if you are in an eligible country. So let's move on with the next instrument. We'll be looking at GBP CAD and CAD CHF, couple of minor pair. So GBP CAD, if I look at the weekly, this market from the weekly, you know, there was a massive move to the upside, overextended, and from this overextension we have seen that GBP CAD so far from the weekly, you know, well below the previous weekly low. Now from the monthly, we can see that this is a bullish market. Okay, from the weekly, long bearish candle. Now in the upcoming week, what I think that I think we could see the continuation to the downside, because it's a very sharp rejection from a resistance, and we could see this week either in a sideway, but still I think that we could see the price is still remaining downside, because it's a very sharp vertical move and sharp rejection. We could see further downside on Gbpusd. So from lower time frame we see this movement, but that could lead this price to go up, swing high, breaking the swing high, and then we might see that consolidation, but it's still remaining to the downside, Gbpusd. If you look at this weekly candle again, you see this is a very long bearish candle, right? Now once the market open, we could see a little bit of pullback to the upside and then coming down, and so you might see that the market is ranging in this resistance and support level. So if you look at the 4-hour, you can see how the market might do. So you could see that break to the upside and then coming back down, ranging or remaining bearish. Okay, so yeah, Gbpusd for me, it's long-term downtrend, long-term uptrend, but we see that locally in a downtrend, so we can expect further drop. Going back to the gold, we saw that after breaking this again, so with this doji on the 5 minutes, okay, so gold gathered liquidity and it's trying to consolidate here. We are still running in profit, 50% profit is still running. Okay, we find out what's happening with, okay, we see that euro dollar is see the price again trying to break to the downside on euro dollar, and with that of gold, the market is really volatile because they are in a very liquidity zone. So when the market in a liquidity zone, it just has a lot of volatility. So guys, gold is what it is it's just in a sideways still. Now as we are already 50% taken the profit, we'll keep that running. So let gold keep running, and in the meantime let me see what other instrument offering us a good opportunity. So Gbpusd we have looked at. I will be looking at all of them quickly to see. AUD NZD also bullish. AUD USD from this support level, still not showing any direction. CAD CHF, okay, so CAD CHF is long-term downtrend. Let me see. If you look at the monthly, you can see that this is a monthly price action on CAD CHF, which is a bearish candle, and from the monthly this price, this low is I think all-time low on CAD CHF. Okay, yeah, so CAD CHF, from the bigger picture we see that this is a potentially highly bearish market, and from the weekly we saw this big drop, and from the daily, after this previous 2 days of pullback, the sellers started to sell. And from lower time frame, from 4 hour, this candle on CAD CHF, you can see it grabbed 4 candles liquidity. And CAD CHF, from swing trading perspective, I think that very high probability we will see that significant movement to the downside again on CAD CHF. Okay, so I'll remain downside on CAD CHF. I think that is just prepared for bigger movement. So let me see what else we have here. So CAD CHF for me, it's a downtrending market now. Okay guys, so all right, gold ultimately decided to go in the direction that we are trading. Yeah, that's a bearish price action, keep that running. Euro dollar also had a break ultimately, and as I mentioned, I think that euro dollar bulls tried to break the high, couldn't do it. I think now it's gonna highly likely you could see that euro dollar coming to the daily 20 EMA. So also probability to drop. So as I mentioned, from 1 hour 20 EMA it had a rejection, gather liquidity, so we can expect the price to come down to the downside, and along with gold, which is moving in the zone. Okay, so this 30 minutes candle on gold, which crossed the previous middleman's high, so very high probability that we can expect gold to come down to hit the 3 times profit target. Guys, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And this is why, this is the live trading. I would recommend you always every day present in the live trading session. You will not find this this live trading this way anywhere, so make sure you always stay present. This is to help trader, because when I begin my trading, I didn't have any support. I know that how it looks like to be helpless, because trading is the things that no one gonna, it's in fact a bit more rare stuff, isn't it? Because when I began my trading long ago, I didn't know anyone who knows trading, and I had to just go through the darkness looking for support and help and not finding anything, and just losing money, opening random trade and losing money, until I learned the lesson. I found a mentor, quite a few mentors, was very, very good, and then I had an opportunity to trade some institutional trader out there who knows how the market moves, and that's the turning point of my trading career. So that's what everything also available for you guys on the website, available for you to learn and grow. So if you want to access everything that I gather, you can see euro dollar now started to drop, as I mentioned, euro dollar. So we are also running a trade on euro dollar, which is running in profit, and you can learn everything that I have gathered over time. So you can join us to be part of this trading community, and you can visit the website. So website address is first link below this video, or I can give you the mentorship address on the live chat. So mentorship, you can click that website address and then click the link, visit the website, and then just click join now button. You will be able to join and access everything that we have, including the trading tools that we have. All the trades that I am opening, I share with VIP members. This is you can see today's trade, gold trade running in good profit, and also euro dollar trade also running in profit, right? Euro NZD we closed with profit yesterday. Gold and euro AUD also closed with profit. Thank you for that. USD, thank you. USD, thanks coach, no problems. GBP, JPY and euro NZD, I'll be looking at that. Thanks bro. Jolly, yeah, absolutely, thanks for that. You know, I do from my heart, so thank you for supporting the channel as well. So let's go back to GBP JPY to see now. GBP JPY, this is a resistance line, and you see that there was a very strong movement and then immediate rejection. Now after this kind of bullish move, this rejection for me is not a very good sign of bullish move, okay? Because normally if you see a very strong impulse, the rejection normally become smaller. That is where this prepare for another one. So an impulse consolidation is a sign of another bullish move, but from here either it could remain bullish or it just a false breakout to the upside, and we might see that again dropping down or consolidating here. GBP JPY currently for me is not that much of impressive. What else we have? Euro NZD, okay. So Euro NZD started to move. This one we targeted 2 times profit, but because we opened euro dollar trade, that's why I closed Euro NZD a bit earlier, because I didn't want to trade both euro in different direction. So in fact euro dollar is now in profit zone, and euro NZD also could be in profit. You can see we closed with around 60p profit, and it's still running in the zones. For those who haven't closed, probably it's running in profit. So euro NZD currently, if you look at bigger picture from the daily, which is a bull market, okay, it is a bullish market. And if you look at the monthly, you can see that this is a, from the monthly perspective, from the support level had a bounce. If you look at the weekly, also after quite a few weeks of long week candle, euro NZD had a bounce to the upside. From the daily as well, you can see that it's a very strongly bullish market, and I think that euro NZD will remain bullish and might remain bullish. Nothing guaranteed in trading, guys. Keep in mind, everything is as is. So in the meantime, we will be closing out euro dollar trade with the running profit, because we are running gold trade and we want to keep the risk in one trade. Right, so euro USD, we are running in profit. So we close to it profit. Reason is very simple, is we are running gold trade. There is a very high probability for all of them to drop. Now let me see gold again. I normally keep looking at the running trade because there is a lot of accounts involved with my trade, so I try to keep everything very managed. This is the benefit of if anyone trading with me, I just post all the updates so that they can get benefit from it. I'm going to close the euro dollar. It's not a okay. Euro dollar might do some manipulation up and down, so we are out with profit. There could be some manipulation because it's weekend. We'll just keep that gold trade running for the full profit, and let's see what else we have in the meantime. Okay guys, so see, thank you Eurusd. Okay, thank you coach for like analysis on gold, and let us enjoy to have profit. Thank you very much. Yeah, absolutely. Your USD, can you give opinion on EuroCAD, coach? Yes, I will be looking at that as well. Gold, yep. US oil, Euro USD, yep. So EuroCAD, look, EuroCAD is a long-term bullish market. Now this candle, you can see this 4-hour candle on EuroCAD had a very sharp rejection from this support level. I think that now EuroCAD, we could see another attempt from the buyer. Now this is the weekly candle, as you can see, it's almost the weekend, and we could see that with this impulse, the price so far has come down. Now we might see that another attempt from the buyers on EuroCAD. From the monthly also, it's a bull market. Now from the daily, you can see the price just has come down to the daily 20 EMA, and this is a significant level. Let me delete that, this old one. And this level on EuroCAD, which is the previous resistance here, turning support here, and from previous resistance turn support, the price is forming this bullish pattern. I think that EuroCAD will continue to rise up. So we see that euro basically getting stronger, especially we saw that euro NZD had a massive movement, except euro dollar is coming down because DXY is getting stronger. Otherwise, most of the euro pairs, including euro CAD, euro AUD, euro NZD, and all the euro pairs looks like that, starting to be bullish. Okay, so sentiment can change over the weekend and we might see different picture on the market opening, but so far we see that the market is in fact is to the downside. So to showing a strengthening on euro and euro dollar also, you can see, except euro dollar is trying to break down because of the strengthening on DXY. All right, so yeah, let's keep, I'm just watching all of them. Okay, so with that said, basically what we have seen is DXY is still remaining bullish, and as a result we saw that all the USD pairs is started to drop, and so we are in the right side of the trade in all of them. That's the best thing. Okay, so yeah, before I progress, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Join the free Telegram channel, link in the description area, and also you can find a link at the top of the chat for the free Telegram channel. Also, if you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join Trade. They are our recommended broker. Trade is regulated globally by SEC and FCA. Also, I'm giving a link in the live chat for Trade, so you can use that link to register for free. Okay, you can click the link and then register for free. Start trading with a regulated broker. You can start with a minimum capital. For those who already registered, I would recommend you to start trading with them. That will help you to grow as a trader. So let's see. So you see that all the instrument, there is a candle close on gold, which is bearish, closed as a middleman. So our directional bias is correct, and gold we are running, and we will keep running for full profit target. How many of you are still running the gold trade or you exit? Let me know in the live chat, guys. I want to see how many exactly of you still on this gold trade. So today's trade also hit all of them in profit target. So if I want to bring that all of them to you, you can see today's Euro NZD trade we took here, it's now more than here. So we got profit on Euro NZD, and we opened Euro AUD, Euro dollar. And Euro dollar we opened here, also we close to it profit on this one. And gold trade still running in profit, that we are so this is the gold trade that we also running currently, also sent out to the VIPs as well, along with yesterday's trade. So incredible trading experience that we need to be profitable as a trader. I'm sure that every one of you enjoying these trades, learning and growing as a trader. You will not find anywhere giving all of them together. So basically this is you guys are supporting the channel, and that's why it's created for all of you, so that you can it's your channel in one word that I would say. And I really appreciate your support also to the channel for all the likes, subscribes, that really helps the channel. Let me see, guys. Also share your ideas. What do you think about this week's performance about your trade and how are you doing about everything. As it's weekend, we could be a little bit of relaxed, I think, isn't it? Nothing. So weekend is also a very important important time for self-reflection. Okay, so stay on the goal to end. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you much. Awesome. Thank you very much. Still running. Thank you, Stefan. Awesome. Sophia is still running. Thank you. Very good. The intention, the main goal here is you, all the subscribers, and I would like to also really thank you for all of you. Sometime trading is like it's like this. Okay, everything like this in life. Trading, there will be an uptrend and there will be a downtrend, pullback and uptrend, like that. So I always mention that this academy is yours, and when you are there, then I'm here. I get motivation from all the comments and appreciation from you. As a from human psychology, if you study the human mind, then you'll see that people actually don't want anything except appreciation, because it's the way the universe works. You see that the people who are very successful in life, for example, financially, from the any dimension of their life, is who are who are grateful. Gratitude is a very, very powerful way to manifest anything in life. Okay, I'm telling you the real truth. So it's like you probably have heard of the law. There is some universal law. For example, if you want to manifest anything, a big sum of money, become a millionaire or become a trader, or anything you want to achieve, you have to align it with the vibrational frequency. This is the universal law. And to align yourself, what you want to achieve, with the vibrational frequency, one must go to that frequency. It's like for example, if you have a radio station and or TV, let's say TV channel, right? We all are familiar with television. Now, if you turn on a channel, you will see only one screen, okay, where you see only one movie, right? But what about the other channel? There are different frequency, right? They have a different bandwidth, different frequency. If you just switch the change the remote control or change the channel, you'll see something else. So similarly, everything we have in our life is because we are tuned into that vibrational frequency, that reality we experience. But you can experience different reality by changing your internal vibrational energetic frequency. This is all the energy. If you go to the quantum level, if you go to the fundamental, if you break down any object, then you find the molecule, and then break down the molecule, and then you will find the electron, and then if you break down the electron, you find the quarks. The word is very difficult for me to sometimes spell. And then if you break that quarks or course, I don't know, there is a word very sometimes difficult to pronounce. If you break down that, then you're gonna see that energy there is nothingness, okay, void, and that is the quantum level. So in that level there is only vibration, and that is a quantum level, and in that level there is no separation, okay, everything is one. And that is where the change happens. So anything you want, you need in that zone the vibrational frequency, this to be changed and to match with the experience that you want to have. And now the question comes, then how can you increase that vibrational frequency to the experience that you want to have? Let's say you want to have a holiday, luxurious car, building, a big house. This is, you deserve enough bank balance to retire at the age of 40. All of them you want and you deserve. That already exists. It's, you don't need to create. Nothing is, nothing needs to be created. It's already created. So only you need to change that energetic frequency or energetic vibration to match with that object that you want. This is the main goal here. Now the fastest, so there are many ways you can do that, but the fastest way is through gratitude. So gratitude is the most powerful way to manifest anything. You can go to that very easily. Why this happen? Let me tell you from mechanical perspective. Let's say we have a brain, right? Now our brain is a frontal lobe. This is the frontal lobe, the thinking brain, decision making brain, and this is the amygdala, or the limbic system. I'm not a brain scientist, so I can't tell you exactly, but this is the midbrain is. Now this midbrain operates in emotion. Now imagine in any kind of celebrating when you are a child. Let's say you are in a Christmas day, or maybe in a Eid day, or any kind of religious or cultural festival that you have. Someone came and gave you $5 or $2 when you're very young, let's say $100, depending on your situation. How do you feel? You feel very happy, right? So you feel very, very receptive and happy. And once you feel very happy, you feel very good, right? And because you received, so that time in a very childhood age, you don't have any other things. You just think about this and you receive and you feel very happy. Now, when we express gratitude, that brain thinks that you are receiving what you want, because either what you have or not, when you remember what you already have, let's say you have a mobile phone, a trading account. So once you think about that, all of them, then your brain started to generate emotion. That is the energy. So the energy before gratitude, you might be thinking all the stuff that you don't have, all the worry, all the difficulties in life. And that's why the energetic frequency was low, because worry is a fear, or all kind of energetic vibration is low. This is the fourth dimension. You see there are 3 dimensions. You see like this, X, Y, Z, right? 3 dimension. And if any objects move from this way, you can visibly see it. If any object move this way, also you can visibly see it. So 3 dimension is visible. This is the Newtonian physics or Newtonian object. But the 4th dimension is the vibration or the energetic frequency, and that is not visible. That's why if you stand up 2 person together side by side, one is a very low state of vibration, one is a high state of vibration. You cannot differentiate them. The reason is what we see is the 3-dimension. The 4th dimension we cannot see is the vibration, and that's where you can reach anywhere internally by changing your energetic frequency. And this is the fastest way, because when you constantly rewire your brain to think what you already have, then what we pay attention will grow. So it start to grow, and you increase your energetic frequency, and you go to the zone that you want to go, experience that you want to experience. And that's how you can create anything in your life. So I hope that you got that understood. And in the meantime, we see that euro dollar and gold, all of them started to drop. That's good. So with that said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this live session. We'll keep this gold trade running the other half until the weekend close. Before the weekend close, if there is an update, I'll keep you updated. You can join the free Telegram channel, a link given in the live chat, and also make sure you stay connected. Before I end this session, if you are looking for regulated broker, you can join Trade. They are our recommended broker. Trade is regulated, so you can stay very, very safe with trading with them. Okay, so click the link and then register for free, start trading with a regulated broker. Thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoyed this live session. And also, before I leave, let me know how many of you had a good trading day today. Thank you, coach. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for that. Awesome. No, thank you very much. Yeah, absolutely. Happy weekend. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow I'll be releasing some videos. We'll be seeing there, and I'll miss you.